Last one. All right, in here. Oh, I'm not in the. What am I doing? Well, I'm gonna do bicycle plank in here, but I didn't put the camera in the right area, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen. Let's see. Get a little bit more. Just imagine I got 2 legs, okay? Oh, at least I think so. All right, so I'm gonna do bicycle in air plank. So, all right. You can also do the dragon flag like shootout, but that was not what I'm gonna do. Ooh, this is fun. Oh, try that. It's fun. And just do dragon flags. And I was thinking I was gonna do an offloaded with the band. And then I realized, no, that is gonna go into the hands of people who should not do that yet. I need to be responsible about that. But let's do a few dragon flags to just see how you can do eccentrics, okay? So to build up. So up in the air. Slowly. Whatever you do, Alexa, stop. Do not allow your body to go into hyperextension. You gotta keep the lower back flexed. All right, timer's up.